All right, I'm here at Splash, just outside 303 in the East Tower. Now I'm having to obviously take pictures when people are still haven't cleaned, so I apologize. There's like towels on the ground and things from the cleaning. That's a king. So walking in the bedroom, that's a king size bed. I like the flooring. It's got a nice light look flooring. Master bathroom. Has a little closet behind here as well. And this is the bunk area. And then the bunk area has its own full bathroom right here with a shower. Kitchen has stainless steel appliances. Washer and dryer right here. Standing here at the kitchen sink, that's my view out to the Gulf. Super cool view. I get the sun behind me again. I love that it's all tiled, no carpet anywhere. Tile at a 45-degree angle, super cool too. See if I can get out here one-handed. There we go. Now I'm on the 3rd floor in Splash. So here's my views looking straight down at the pools. View looking out to the west. Sunset views over there. Views towards the lazy river over here on the East Tower. Views looking out towards Pier Park. That's the Pier Park right there. And there's my views looking just straight out. Alright, super cool condo here at Splash, Unit 303 at the East Tower.